Welcome back to day 2. We're going to review the trades that we had set up yesterday. And again, to review, we set up a trade for the Great British Pound Australian dollar as well as the Great British Pound Canadian dollar. These were what's called our single pair approach, meaning we did a buy order and a sell order on each of these two pairs. So if we look over here under our summary, we'll actually see that we are currently $519 in profit. The price has been fluctuating here a bit. It's been as high as $625, and this is the low that I've seen. So let's examine this a little closer. So as we scroll over, we'll see that let's see, which pair was that? The first pair is the Great British Pound Canadian dollar. The Great British Pound Canadian dollar is actually negative $16, kind of fluctuating here. You'll see it. It is currently negative just a bit. But our other pair, the Great British Pound Australian dollar, is currently $572 in profit. It's, as you can see, it's fluctuating as well. So we technically, if you want it, even though this particular pair is $10 negative, but this pair is $566 in profit, what I normally would do in this case is I would not be concerned about this small $10 loss. I would close out all of this because I have a net profit of roughly $562. That's great for one day. So that is actually what I'm going to do here right now. So I'm going to show you how we're going to close out the trade. We're going to actually highlight a row, right click, and because I'm closing out both positions at the same time, I'm going to click close all positions. So if you just simply click close all positions, we're going to do that, and that is going to clear it all out. If you wanted to come over to your closed positions, you can get your final tally on what your profit was. So as you can see here, our gross profit was $623. We did have what's called a roll fee from the broker of $46, so that was subtracted, and essentially we actually made the 500. It was around 500 and I believe 20 something actual dollars. Don't let the roll fees and all of that get you confused. When we closed out the profit, that is what the actual profit was. So that's all for this particular video. I just wanted to give you an actual example of how a trade can work. Now, granted, this trade was a 24-hour trade. It does not always happen that fast. Sometimes it may take a couple days. Sometimes it could take a couple weeks for you to actually get in profit. Likewise, these trades could have actually went the opposite direction. They could have triggered, went the opposite direction, and we could have actually taken losses on them, or great losses on them. So, you know, when you're trading, don't be greedy. The profit was there. It was a good profit. When the profit is there, take it. So that's all that I have for you right now. Have a great rest of your training.